Alrighty guys, just want to do a quick update here of the shop. We're still busy doing these cab lights. Today is September 10th, 2024. Time is right around 10 o'clock, 10:30. We got some cab lights that we're doing. Don't worry, I got a little cushion up there. Right now we're taking everything apart on this truck to install the cab lights here. As you can see, it's got nothing up there. We got our little templates ready to go with our cushion. Make sure nothing gets scratched or anything like that there. We got all our dash covered up, all our seats covered up. We got most of the stuff taken down. The shop is fully loaded as we're working on a project. We got the cab lights here. Now, keep in mind, if you guys are trying to get these done, right now product is on back order, so make sure you guys are booking ahead of time. Right now I have 3 other sets that are already sold. Let me show you guys here. So we got these sets that are already sold. We're just waiting on the center pieces. And we got another set over there. All right. So the LS Monte Carlo project is still going on. It's on hold until this puppy's done. I'm gonna have my shop back to normal. Got parts everywhere. Anyways, just wanted to share that with you guys. That's what we got going on at the shop. We got the Chevelle. We're doing a whole complete sound system. Is almost done. Yeah, we're busy, guys. Thank the Lord that we busy. So if you guys need anything, you guys see that banner there? It tells you what we do. Window tinting, auto glass, car audio, accessories, installations, and more. We're a small shop here located in the city of Corona. Thank you guys for all the support. Appreciate it. Look at this one here. We did the back speakers. We're doing a whole amp setup. We're doing the kick panels. We still got this one to finish up. We got so much work to do. I got too much work. But not complaining. Just got to wrap it all up. Let's go. Pete's Garage, baby. Hit us up for all your needs.